Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to make a Benin bitter leaf soup, popularly called black soup. So here I have my banga, and here I have my crayfish, blended crayfish. Here my stockfish. Here I have my kpomo. So here is my cow leg or cow foot, my meat, onions and pepper. Beatrice, thank you. Here I have my bitter leaf. I'm using 2 bitter leaf. Here, Beatrice. Here I have my salt and seasoning cubes. And here is my snails, my dry fish. So I'm going to wash everything, prepare them down, then so we are going to leave it to boil, to cook for some while before we add any other thing. What I have in it right now is my meat, my stockfish. You know, stockfish takes a lot of time to cook. So I have my stockfish here. I have my cow foot, which is cow leg. I have my beef. I have onions in it already. So I have salt and seasoning cubes to give it taste. So the things I'm going to add next is on the line. So stay tuned while we cook this lovely and sweet, delicious black bitter leaf soup together. It's time to add my banga. So this is how it looks. I'm going to use water to rinse inside. So I know many of you will be wondering, she said black soup, but she's using banga. Watch and see. Hey guys, so you can notice that I changed my pot. The one I was using before was too small, so I had to change my pot to a bigger one. So I'm almost done with the food. Wow, I love the look of this soup. And you know what, this soup is very medicinal. It's a medicinal soup. Try it out. Waiting for the final look. I'm done now, and this is the final look. Wow, this soup is looking delicious. Like I said, the food is medicinal and is healthy to eat. I would advise you to try it out. You will love it. You know, it's good sometimes to always try other people's food and see the difference. So I want to thank my old subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and for those of you that have not subscribed, please subscribe, and thank you. Bye.